Welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe of Dal Makhani, you would have soaked 3/4 cup of black urad dal and 1/4 cup of rajma for 8 hours. You could alternatively soak it overnight as well. After soaking it for 8 hours or overnight, you can now strain all the water from this and add this to a pressure cooker. After adding all of the dal and the rajma, you can now add 3 cups of water to the pressure cooker. After adding all of the water to the pressure cooker, you can now close the lid of the pressure cooker and let this cook for 15 whistles. After 15 whistles, you can now check if the dal and rajma is soft. It should be soft enough to break easily. If not, you can now add half cup of water and let it cook for another 5 whistles. After that, you can then keep the rajma and the dal aside and take another pan, and to that, here you can add 2 tablespoons of butter, and along with that, here you can add 3 green cardamoms, 2 cloves, 1 black cardamom, and after adding all these spices, here you can also add 1 finely chopped medium-sized onion and 1 chopped green chilli. You can now mix all of these ingredients really well and fry this for a period of 3 minutes until the time the onions become nice and soft. After 3 minutes, here you can then add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After adding the ginger garlic paste, you can then fry this with the onions until the time the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. This should take about a minute. After a minute, you can then add a puree of 2 tomatoes. After adding a tomato puree of 2 tomatoes, you can then fry this once again for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can then add the spices, starting off with 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding all these spices and the salt, you can now fry this for another 2 minutes. Once the onions and tomatoes are mixed really well with the spices, I'm then going to add the urad dal and the rajma which we had kept aside earlier. After adding the urad dal and the rajma, you can then now mix this really well with the rest of the ingredients. After mixing it well with the rest of the ingredients, here you can also add 1 glass of water. After adding the 1 glass of water, you can now once again mix this really well with the urad dal and the rajma. After mixing all of these ingredients, you can then let this cook for a period of 25 minutes on low flame. While letting it cook for 25 minutes, it's important for you to mix it time to time so that the urad dal and the rajma does not stick to the pan and get burned. After 25 minutes, here you can then add half a glass of water or more depending on the consistency of the gravy you require. After adding the water, you can then now once again mix this really well and let this cook for another 15 minutes on low flame. After 15 minutes, you can then add 2 tablespoons of crushed kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves, and along with that, here you can also add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. If you add a little more water earlier, here you can add another 1 tablespoon. After adding all of these ingredients, you can then now once again mix this really well and let this cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can then add the last 2 ingredients, which would be 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of butter, which is optional. After adding these 2 ingredients, you can then now once again mix this and let this cook until the time the butter melts in the Dal Makhani. Once the butter melts, you can then switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So I really hope you did like this recipe, and if you did, please do show your support by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Thank you so much.